How to craft ropes in Terraria. So we cannot craft the typical brown rope. We can only get those from like chests, as you can see, or just basically some pots right here. You could also get some ropes. However, you can craft special types of rope if you don't want to spend money. So let's say you're inside a spider cave. So you can basically craft web ropes by using cobwebs directly from your inventory. So as you can see, I have a bunch of cobwebs right here. And even though I'm not near a workbench or a crafting station, I can still craft some web ropes right here. But if you want something fancier, you can go to a loom, then make some silk right here, then just stay near the loom, then scroll through your crafting menu, and as you can see, you can make some silk ropes right there. Finally, if you want the best looking natural rope, look for this accessory right here, which is the guide to plant fiber cordage. So if you use this as your accessory, breaking vines will drop vine ropes, as you can see, instead of nothing, essentially allowing you to craft ropes by harvesting the jungle. So as you can see, I now have some vine ropes right here, and you can now use it just like that. And that is how I basically craft ropes in Terraria.